2025 Retirement Strategies, Gold IRA Rollovers for Public Employees, Guide to Rolling Over a 457B into a Gold IRA. Public employees in 2025 are facing a retirement landscape shaped by inflation, market instability, and ongoing economic uncertainty. Many are searching for safer, more resilient ways to protect their savings. One option growing in popularity is the 457B to Gold IRA rollover, a strategy that shifts part of a retirement account into physical precious metals. This approach adds stability and safeguards long-term wealth. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why consider a Gold IRA rollover? 1. Protection against market volatility. Gold has historically held its value during economic downturns, helping reduce the impact of stock market swings. 2. Diversification with tangible assets. A Gold IRA allows retirement savers to hold physical metals, creating a stronger and more diversified portfolio. 3. Hedge against inflation. As the cost of living rises, gold often increases in value, helping preserve purchasing power over time. Basic requirements for a 457B to Gold IRA rollover. You must separate from your employer or have a plan that allows in-service rollovers. Your 457B funds must be eligible for transfer into a self-directed IRA. The metals purchased must be IRS approved, such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Maple Leafs. How the rollover process works. 1. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian. Select a custodian experienced with Gold IRAs. 2. Open the Gold IRA account. Your custodian will provide the required setup and rollover forms. 3. Request a direct rollover. A trustee-to-trustee transfer avoids taxes and penalties while moving the funds safely. 4. Purchase approved precious metals. Select gold, silver, or other approved metals that meet IRS purity standards. 5. Store metals in an approved depository. IRS rules require secure, professional storage, not personal possession. Pros and cons of a Gold IRA rollover. Advantages: offers protection during market downturns. Strengthens diversification. Provides a hedge against inflation. Drawbacks: custodial and storage fees. Precious metals can fluctuate in the short term. Cannot store metals at home. A 457B to Gold IRA rollover offers public employees a strategic way to strengthen retirement security in 2025. By adding physical gold to a retirement plan, savers gain protection against volatility, inflation, and broader economic uncertainty. With proper planning and a reliable custodian, this strategy can help build a more resilient and durable retirement foundation for the years ahead. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.